How to grow your YouTube channel in 2025, the part-time YouTuber blueprint. If you're brand new to YouTube, the hardest part is often just starting. Many people overthink things like their niche, what content to make, or how others will react. Here's what I do. Make 3 simple videos. These don't need to be perfect. You can use your phone, talk to the camera, and upload them directly. Create some basic channel art using free tools like Canva. Think of these first 3 videos as practice dates with YouTube. They're just for you to try out making content and see how you feel. You'll probably feel nervous or awkward at first, and that's okay. Everyone starts that way. The point is to just begin. You'll learn a lot about yourself and the process of making videos. Once you've made 3 videos, it's time to decide. Do you want to treat YouTube casually? This means making videos whenever you feel like it, without too much pressure. Or do you want to take YouTube seriously? If yes, commit to making at least 1 video a week. You can't accidentally build a successful YouTube channel. It requires consistency and effort, just like any serious relationship. Now let's focus on getting better. Make your next 7 videos on topics you enjoy. Don't worry about finding the perfect niche yet. These videos could be about anything, your favorite books, tools, or hobbies. The goal is to practice skills like talking to the camera, editing, and making thumbnails. Think of these 7 videos as a chance to learn the craft of YouTube. You'll improve little by little with each upload. After 10 videos, 3 from level 1 plus 7 from level 2, ask yourself, do you want YouTube to be a fun hobby? Or do you want to treat it like a business? If you're serious about growing your channel, it's time to move to level 3. 535. To grow a successful channel, you need to understand YouTube's game. There are 3 key things. Clicks. Create catchy titles and thumbnails that make people want to click. Watch time. Keep viewers engaged by making videos they enjoy from start to finish. Satisfaction. Leave your audience feeling good about what they watched. This can lead to likes, comments, and shares. At this stage, start thinking about your niche. Your niche is a combination of your target audience. Who are you helping? The value you provide. What problem are you solving for them? For example, if you love productivity, your target audience might be students, and your value might be helping them study better. Finally, figure out your edge. Why should someone watch your videos instead of others? Look at what's already out there in your niche. Find a way to offer something unique, whether it's your personality, style, or perspective. Just like starting a business, it's about understanding your market and offering something that stands out. Starting a YouTube channel in 2025 doesn't have to be overwhelming. Take it step by step. Get started, improve your skills, and focus on adding value to your audience. If you're ready to begin, start making those first 3 videos today. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Good luck on your YouTube journey.